Today's Vocabulary in a Minute series helps you learn a variety of interesting terms for the word friendly. Use these terms for people with a friendly demeanor whenever you refer to this quality of theirs next. So the first term to replace the word friendly is cordial. Cordial. Next one, amicable. Amicable. Next, congenial. Congenial. Next one, genial. Genial. The fifth term for the day, pally. Pally. Now pally is a word which can be used in an informal manner, guys. Remember that. Next one, amiable. Amiable. So that's all in today's Vocabulary in a Minute series, guys. Please like, comment, share, and yes, do subscribe to my channel, please. God bless you all.